Hi everybody! Today we are going to see what came in the So What box. Hi everybody, it is April and I am in my craft room and I am going to show you the finished projects from the So What box and also the goodies that came inside. So I'll show you the goodies first and then we'll go on to the adorable project that came in this month's box. I'm opening my box. And it is a fabric pencil marker thingy. You can use it to mark on your fabric where it is you want to do your free motion quilting. You can use it to mark on your fabric where it is you want to sew. And this came in handy when I was working on the project that came with the kit this month. And of course, we get fabric. Are you so ready for some creativity? So pink. So this month's color is pink. And here are the fabrics. And as always, they come with a ribbon that has different little tags that you can cut apart and attach to your projects so that people know that you made them. So it's a cute little ribbon that holds your fat quarters together but is useful. You won't just throw it away. This is the project that came in the box. 2 cute little baskets. Everything you need is in this box. It came with the thread, it came with pins, and a new needle. So the first step in the project was to take a moment to replace the needle on your machine, because sometimes we don't do that as often as we should. And this is what my project turned out like. How adorable. So cute. I love the colors, the pink and the gray. And then there was the second basket, which is a big basket. And you have to see the buttons. Handmade with love. I am so pitiful that I used my machine to sew my button on. I'm going to include a little footage so that you can see you don't have to break out the needle and thread. You should be able to use your machine to sew on a button. Maybe not if you have a mechanical machine. They probably don't, but I think most of your computerized machines today will sew a button on for you. I'm going to use my machine to attach the button for the project I'm working on, which is here. Take the button, place it where I want it to go, which is in the center, and then make sure that I'm in the right spot, which I'm not. Put my foot down. I'm going to do it once manually to make sure that my buttonholes line up. That is awfully close. Let's move this just a little. Okay. And then it's going to end on the same side that I start on. So as sad as it is, that's what I did. I used my machine. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Eat some chocolate and be kind to everyone. Oh, and go sign up for this So What box. They're awesome.